I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.
Good morning everyone, welcome to today's video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. If you're new to my channel, I do homemaking stuff. I'm always vlogging at home, so if you are interested in this one, you can look around all my videos and subscribe if you feel you love it here. I just want to make breakfast and I'm going to make some wraps. I prepared chips. I'm going to put in some strips. Yeah, I'm going to put in some strips, the leftover strips.
Hold my mind. I need someone to hold my mind. When the sun comes down and when I feel.
These are brown tortillas, and they are very extra. They are extra large in size, and they were very big for my pan because I was following the instructions from the package. We have to warm them up for 15 seconds in a microwave, in a pan, or in the oven. So I was using a pan, and my pan is too small for this extra large thing, and I opted for the extra large because I wanted to fold them properly without struggling. And the first one always is gonna be a fail, but not that a fail. As you can see, it's not bad, but I think it's bigger. So I was just warming them up according to the instructions, and I didn't want them to be brown like you see. So no, I just wanted to warm them up so that they become soft and easy to use.
I need someone to hold. How I feel, I can show you, baby, one more time.
My family love nice things, and I am so glad that I can sometimes be able to give them a different taste of food, and yeah, they really enjoy me making beautiful meals like this one.
I need you with me by my side.
The idea of having chips aside was to have that restaurant looking like meal where you have your wrap and chips, or a burger with chips, yeah, that was my idea of the meal for today. So it was so nice, and whoever wanted the ketchup, they did have their ketchup, but I don't like putting in ketchup on the chips. So this is the meal that I had, and I was just laughing with my son, Kere. Can you see I made a, what do you call that meal from KFC? I really love it also. It's called a twister meal. Yeah, we had a twister. Guys, mara ke rata dilo shem. We had, I was laughing with him. We are having a twister meal. He enjoyed very much. Everyone enjoyed. My daughter was not around, but I made sure that I leave something for her, and she was very happy too. So whenever I feel like, I do have some coffee, not a strong one, but these ones that are being called chicory, not a strong coffee. Strong coffee doesn't go well with my system, so I opt for this less strong coffees. So moving right along the day, we had to clean and restart the day, like restart the week, reset the week. So I had to just clean the house and be ready for the new week.
I need you with me by my side. When I fall asleep, I need you with me by my side. So I need you with me by my side. Darkest hour, I wanna comfort you. I know you've been. Oh, where do we go? In your head, in the real world, there's snow. Oh, I know how you hit the crow. Spend your life searching for more.
I am so thankful for my daughter. This laundry was done by her. I was not feeling well the weekend, all those days over the weekend. I was not feeling well, and she helped me do this laundry. So I just folded it, and yeah, I am so grateful that she is now able to help me with a lot of things in the house. As a woman, when you have a lady or when you have a child, we groom them as they grow at their youngest age, and yeah, so that they can be able to do things on their own in the near future.
Friends to leave, friends to show. Fight to live, fight to live. Sometimes find yourself going on. Lost and looking for a soul. Driving for sometimes realize there's nowhere to go. There's the thing we're searching for. It's just waiting back home. done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you paid it up, but you also had your cup filled up. And we both know every time you come around, every time you return, you see it in your tired eyes. That you still have more to
It's been a week now, so I need to refresh the water. As you can see, the flowers are still alive, like so alive. Guys, when I say in the village we greet each other, you just heard me greeting someone. That person was greeting me for the third time, I can tell you. Throughout the whole day, he was passing by and greeting me like he has never seen me. That's how it is in the village. You just greet. You can't just pass a person like you don't see them. We greet each other. It doesn't matter how many times. So in the village, we do greet, whether you know the person or we don't know the person, we do greet each other.
find yourself knowing no. Lost and looking for your soul. Grabbing for what you can hold. Sometimes
I do really love fresh flowers, but lately I was not even trying to buy for myself to cheer up my mood. I think I have to go back in the game of buying fresh flowers, but this ones was for my daughter. For birthday, I bought the cake and flowers. She was very happy. She received these flowers for the first time in her entire life. So she was turning 15 on the 25th of April.
realize there's nowhere to go. 'Cause the thing you're searching for has been waiting back home. I stay waiting for you.
Thank you for watching until this far. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing my videos. And I would like to thank you also for the support that you're showing to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.